Hey everyone, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some doll pants without sewing, and let's get right into this video. First things first, we need a piece of fabric and a Sharpie. Now we're going to trace around his legs, and just ignore this, that was a mistake. But we're going to trace it, and we're actually going to make them really big because it kind of requires us to do that, the method that we're using. And plus it leaves us lots of room for some mistakes, just in case. There we go. After we traced it out, we are now going to cut it out. After we cut them out, we're going to fold them in half to make sure that they're even. Obviously, they are not even, so now we are just going to cut them so they are now even on both of these sides. There we go. Now we're just going to take this, trace it onto another piece of fabric, and then cut it out. Now we have two of these shorts. We're going to take the outside of the shorts, and we're barely just going to fold them inward, just like so. Now, taking our hot glue gun, we're going to apply some glue right on that folded edge. Take our other piece of fabric and press it onto that glue. Do the same thing to the other side. Now we can kind of make some adjustments. So let's just put it onto the dolls. Obviously it's really big at the waist, but I've got a plan for that. And now I think that we need to kind of cut the crotch a little bit more up. So we're going to go ahead and do that. After our adjustments, we're going to do the same thing by folding it in, applying some glue, and gluing it close, but leaving enough room for the leg to still fit. Now we're going to slip on the shorts, making sure that everything still fits our doll. The legs fit very nice, but the waist is still very large. I'm going to take the side, and not where we glued though, but a little bit more towards the back, and I'm actually just going to cut a little bit down on both sides. We're going to apply some glue on the inside and simply glue it over like that. After we've made all the adjustments, I'm going to take some elastic and I'm simply just going to glue it around the waist. And now we have a no-sew pair of Ken shorts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below any other no-sew Ken doll clothes suggestions, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!